Hello, my name is Christian Angel, and today I will be showing you how to close out of a double elimination tournament. Now you will need to click on Update TD Stats file. Now before proceeding, please review the standings below and confirm that they are correct. Once you proceed to TD tasks, you will not be able to adjust any of the outcome of your tournament. Now you click on Yes to proceed, or No if you want to correct something. Your TD stats file has been updated. Now just click on Return to Administer Tourney. Your tournament number will be here. Now click on Update Player Tournament Records. This is what Player Tournament Stats Updated page looks like. Now just click on Return to Administer Tourney. Your tournament number will be here. Now click on Process Entry Fees, and if any ladder backs were charged, then they will be taken from the player. Now ladder backs have been taken from player's account. Now click on Return to Administer Tourney. Your tournament number will be here. Now click on Award ladder backs. Ladder backs have been added to the player's account, and an email has been sent out to the player too. Now click on Return to Administer Tourney. Your tournament number will be here. Now click on Report Matches to Ladder. Now you will see a page saying matches have been reported to ladder. Once you get this, you can click on Return to Administer Tourney. Your tournament number will be here. Now click on Close Out Tournament. Your tournament is now finished, but you will need to click on Return to Administer Tourney. Your tournament number will be here. Once you see this page, you know your tournament is finished. So click on Return to TD Center. You can now log out of your TD Center. Now that completes everything you need to know about the double elimination tournament.